If there ever been an unauthorized charge attempt on your Google Ads account, then you have to watch this video in full, because in this video I will tell you on a story of a similar person like yours who got a similar situation, and I'm going to tell you a quick steps as well to sort them out as well. So let's move on. Unauthorized charges from Google Ads. I got 7 charges from Google Ads. On my card is shown as Google Ads. They took around $300. I don't have Google Ads account, and I have not put my card on anything Google related. I blocked my card temporarily and called my bank. They told me my card is verified in Google as payment method, but I didn't do such thing. More charges are being requested, but I sent all the money to another account. They were denied because account is empty now. I have filled Google form for unauthorized payment, waiting for their response. What else can I do? So there are 2 to 3 situations which you can do. For Because you are in a similar very some situation, you simply can search Google Ads support 24 by 7 help call number. Just search this one over the Google, and you may see over here a phone number coming from the Google search. So you can call them over here as well by going over there as well. So you can see over here that you can call over there as well. So another thing is that you may also see the Google Ads help page over here. So you can simply open the Google Ads help page as well, and you may see other number as well. You can see over here the other number as well. So you can use either of the number as well. And once you land on the Google Ads help page, I recommend you to move on to the contact us page over here. Then you can address the issue by going and selecting things over there and in contact options, and then you can write in their email that call me as soon as possible. So this can also help as well. Plus there is another thing which you can do, and that is to write Google unauthorized payment and simply search over here. Once you search, you may see over here report unauthorized charges. Simply select this one. Also, you may see over here unauthorized transaction. So open both of the websites, and you may see over here that they say like similar charges and the complaint, like as you told over here, like this Google Ads this claim. So double check it, and then check your Google history page, and then you can report it over here as well in the payment unauthorization over here. You just have to open it, fill the form. You can see over here, right over there, and simply select your credit card details and simply select the continue over here, and this can sort it out. So I'm just simply going to close it because I do not want to complain it, but I'm going to tell you the procedure as well. And the unauthorized page also lands you over here as well, so you can do the same stuff over here as well. So I hope this answers your question. So apart from filling the form, calling over there, asking on the email to call us and get the solution done, you just have to wait and to be patient, because this may takes time. But don't worry, Google is a very reputable company, and if they find that you have been wrongly charged without your permission, without your accounts being connected, you will get all the refund. Do not need to worry with this. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And in case if you need Google Ads audit server management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.